Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make buta no shogayaki, ginger pork. It's a very popular meal in Japan. Everyone knows and many people cook it at home. I forgot to share this recipe with you. Simple yet delicious, savory sweet. It goes perfect with white rice and also it's a perfect dish to put in a bento box. Simple shredded cabbage is the perfect side. There's no mistake. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's season the pork slices first. Leave for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, mix the seasonings that you are going to add while cooking. Fresh grated ginger is perfect. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Drain well and add the seasoned pork slices. Cook on medium until nice and brown on one side. Then flip them over and add the seasonings and grated ginger. Quickly cook on high heat and remove from the pan just before they dry out. Not too dry, not too moist is perfect. Serving with shredded cabbage is the best basic. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Shogayaki の上にキャベツを乗せて食べたら美味しい。いいんじゃない？これは。美味しそう。いいアイディアだね。これおかわりねえ言ってよ。元気よく。せーの。じゃあねどうぞお願いします。で父さんおってね。